Welcome to the Geometry Scavenger Hunt collaboration project. You and your partner will be searching world-famous bridges and buildings on a scavenger hunt. You will be exploring parallel lines as well as triangle and parallelogram theorems. Please open your Geogebra and join the fun. The first thing we're going to do is together. Together we're going to show alternate interior angles are congruent. We're going to start with a building called the Burj Al Arab in Dubai. The reason why I chose this building is because on the outside of the building are safety staircases that just seem to look like two parallel lines cut by a transversal. I'm going to show you how to upload this into a GeoGebra file, change your properties, and show the alternate interior angles are congruent. Let me start by going to Google Images. So I looked up Google Images for the Burj Al Arab, and I have many images to choose from. You can choose any one that you want. Right now I'm going to choose one, and as long as it shows the exterior staircases actually. I like this one right here. I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to use my snipping tool to take a snapshot of it. And I'm going to save that on my desktop as capture. I always save it on my desktop overwriting files so that I don't have too much stuff on my desktop. Now I'm going to go to my GeoGebra. There are several ways of uploading an image, and this is one of them. I'm going to go to Image, click down, Capture, Open. Now I need to make this on the full screen of GeoGebra, and I want to change properties so that it's going to be a background image as well. So you go to Object Properties. You can make it lighter. Go to Basic, Background Image. So color is light, position. To be full screen, I'm going to write the word corner, square bracket 1, corner 2, and then corner 4. You have to enter after corner 4. Now, there is the XY axis there, so I'm going to remove it by going to this right here and then show axes. Now it's been removed. Now we're going to be doing construction to show the alternate interior angle theorem. First I'm going to start by writing down alternate interior angle theorem. And I'm going to put the name of my building. Now I'm going to use the line tool right here. And I can't just draw a line here and have it parallel. I have to construct a line. So I'm going to use my point tool on one of the other floors in my building. And oops, I did the wrong tool, didn't I? So I'm going to go back up here and undo that and start again. Line tool and the point tool. Now I'm going to go down to the parallel line construction tool. It says right here, hover, select point and parallel line. Point, line. Now I'm going to create my transversal. I'm going to even write transversal on this so I know. And I'm going to mark my parallel lines. These are parallel. And I want you to mark as well, so you go to your pen. These are my alternate interior angles. ABC is congruent to BC. I need another point here. So to show that they're congruent, I'm going to use the angle tool here. The angle tool only works in the clockwise direction for what I need it for. Okay, so if I'm measuring an angle here, I have to go clockwise. A, B, C. Similarly, if I want this angle here, I have to go clockwise. D, C, B. Now, these are both 52 degrees. You're not going to get that right off unless you change your options. There's rounding. I think the default might be 2. No, the default is actually 2 decimal places, not 3. And I'm going to have you just go to 0 decimal points. This is a construction. You can move any of these points and the alternate interior angles will be congruent. The only thing to warn you is that when you move these around, it may not match up with these strokes right here. They come and go. So I want you to save this file and into someplace on your computer, and then we're going to go to the next part of the project that you're going to be doing collaboratively. Let me show you that now. Here it is. We are going to do this together. We're going to collaborate the triangle sum theorem. What you and your partner are going to do is you're going to look for a bridge together. You just have to agree on which web quest, which bridge that you want, image from a web quest that you want. So it could be the Golden Gate Bridge, it could be the Tower Bridge, it could be the Brooklyn Bridge, whichever bridge that you think is really fascinating to study. Then you're going to upload it like we just did into Geogebra file, change your properties, and then overlay a triangle using the polygon tool. You're going to find the sum of the interior angles. I want to show you in Geogebra some ideas for this. So pretend that you have now uploaded an image of your famous bridge. Here is the polygon tool. You're going to overlay a triangle, both of you. Change the property so it's a bright color. Then we're going to show the triangle sum theorem. I want you to write down triangle sum theorem and the name of your bridge. And I don't have a bridge there, so I don't have a name for mine. And you can either use your angle tool, and the angle tool is always done clockwise, or since you put this down in the counterclockwise direction, now your angle tool, if you just click on it, you'll get all your interior angles. Notice that I had changed my options so that the rounding was 0. So you and your partner are going to check to see what the sum is and see what the triangle sum theorem says. I hope this helps, and now then come back soon, because we're going to be working on the next 2 parts of our project together, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.